Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to remove multiple friends on Snapchat and you are looking out how to do so, you may just follow up this process for that and you should be able to do it easily. So once you open up your Snapchat application, this is the particular interface you should be finding. You can go to the chats tab to look out for your chats with all of your friends available. If not here, look out for your profile in the top left and select it. And from there, you can just go over and scroll down, find the friends section, and tap on My Friends to view out the list of friends available on your Snapchat. Now, if you want to remove multiple friends on Snapchat, you cannot do it in bulk. But what we can do is we can just go over and remove each of them individually. So for that, we need to go to their profile. You can tap on their profile. And once you go to their profile, you should be finding their profile page available like this. Now what you need to do is basically look out for the three dot in the top right corner and select it. And from there, select the option of manage friendship and tap on it. Now once you tap on manage friendship, all you gotta do is select this option of remove friend. For that, tap on remove friend and just go and confirm it up. And once you confirm it up, that particular friend will be removed on Snapchat. You may follow up the same process for any other friends available as well, and manually follow up the process for each of the friends that you would like to remove. And that is the process you can follow up if you'd like to remove the friend on Snapchat, since we do not have a multiple select option available yet. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.